Hey, it's day 10 of our Speak English Confidently challenge. And today's tip will make you laugh, but it's super powerful. Today's tip is be a parrot. Yes, you heard me right, a parrot. What do parrots do? They listen carefully and repeat perfectly. That's exactly what you should do to sound natural and confident and fluent. Watch your favorite English movie scene or YouTuber and copy their words, tone, and expressions just like a parrot. Don't just say the words, feel them. You will sound 10 times more natural and confident in no time. So pick one short clip video and copy every single line. Same speed, same style, and same energy. Comment below. I am a fluent parrot now. And don't forget to follow SAR English for day 11 tips. Like and share this video with your friends who wants to improve their English speaking skills.